Okay, so I'm going to show you the breakdown to my workout dance choreography to More Than a Feeling by Forrest Frank. So first we're going to start with a simple calf raise and toe point. And you're just going to do a full 8 counts and then an additional 4 count. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we're going to do a simple shoulder move along with a squat, and we have a full 8 count. So 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and make sure you breathe on your way down. Now we have our crossover, which you should really feel in your upper legs. And I'm just crossing over on one side for a full 4 count. Crossing over, keeping my back straight, and now I'm switching my legs and crossing over on the opposite side. And again, you should feel this in your upper leg area, closer to your thighs, and make sure that you keep your back straight as you're doing that. And as we're approaching our last count, we're just going to stretch here. Make sure you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And that's going to be a full 4 count. And this is 5, 6, and 7, 8. And then you reach back up and do a squat, making sure your back is straight. And that's going to be for a full 8 count as well. Once you reach 8, you'll be at the top. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Calf raise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it up and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now punch and 1 and punch and 2 and punch and 3 and punch and 4. Now reach and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And now we are done. That was a simple workout. Check out the actual video linked below.